install solar panels on the roof of the school through the solar panels for the school scheme. In fact, 427 of them. This planted a seed of an idea. As a school, we would work towards becoming greener and more sustainable. We set ourselves to 3 aims.
Improve the school grounds!
To improve our school grounds, we created a growing area. It was hard work. We now have a small orchard and raised beds to grow fruits and vegetables. We've had some successes and some problems.
We've made bird boxes and created mini-beast habitats. Last autumn, every child got to plant a home. It was a very wet week, but everyone had fun, if a little muddy. When spring came, the grounds were blooming lovely.
Reduce waste!
We recycle leaves to make leaf molds to use in the garden. We put them in the compost bin, but we got a surprise.
What are you doing? This is my house!
We just want to recycle the leaves.
Alright, I'll let you do it this time.
We also installed 2 water booths to recycle rainwater to water the plants.
In the home, we have a clothing bank, a uniform swap, and a food bank. These are made up of items donated from parents, staff, and supermarkets. Most of these items would have gone in the landfill. To reduce energy consumption, we have energy monitors for each class. Their job is to turn off lights and appliances when the class is not in use, though they do get a bit carried away. We took part in Recycling Week and had a competition to make models through rubbish. The entries were definitely not rubbish though. In the spring, as part of the big spring clean, we joined with council wardens to do a litter pick outside the school grounds. We filled 163 rubbish bags and a whole skip.
Transport!
Our business manager helped us get a grant to buy a bank of bikes and scooters. We can borrow these bikes to ride to school. To make sure we are safe riding the bikes, all year 5s receive bikeability training. Dr. Bike came in and repaired 59 bikes that children brought in to fix. He then taught 30 children bike maintenance and repair so that they can look after the school bikes and their own. We worked with a Ready Steady Pedal to create an active travel map. This shows safe roads to ride in the local area. As a part of the Safer Streets scheme, the 2 roads near the school gates are closed at the start and the end of the day. This is to help reduce pollution around our school.
What's this? Okay, apologies, sorry.
As you have seen from our film, it has been a busy year, but the hard work has paid off as we achieved green flag status.
We could not have done this without the help of a lot of people.
Local charities, bikeability, council schemes, safer streets,
Solar for schools,
our local BDAT wardens, Dr. Bike, Ready Steady Pedal,
and BDAT Trust. We'd like to say a big thank you.
Thank you!
Let us all work together to create a greener, cleaner, and a safer future for everyone.